What's up, beautiful people? So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to do a blowout. Grab your hair supplies, your tools, and let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is section off the hair. The hair is 80% dry and we're going to start drying in the front. This is just a front tutorial teaching you how to properly dry the hair. So the first thing that I'm doing is I section off the front piece, and as you can see, I am blow drying directly starting from the root. Blow drying the root is very important when doing your blowouts. So always make sure that you have the brush properly against the client's head and blow drying the root all the way down to the ends. Once that section is properly dried, you're going to go on to the next section and you're going to literally repeat the same steps. You're going to take your brush, make sure it is against the client's head directly at the root, and you're going to blow dry from root to end. So an extra step that I like to do is I like to go over the sections one more time before I continue to dry the rest of the hair. It just helps keep it nice and smooth and nice and fluffy as I'm blow drying the client's hair. This is how the side looks so far as we have blow dried it, giving it volume and making sure it is nice and smooth, frizz-free. So I'm going to go ahead and finish. And this is how the beautiful hair looks once we are all done with the blowouts. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Don't forget to like it, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.